How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I fancy doing a pizza for my supper. I'm just in the mood for some pizza. I don't want to make my own dough. Nice and easy, delicious ingredients. And what I use if I don't want to make my own dough is this thing. They haven't asked me to advertise it, it's just what I use, and it's absolutely delicious. It's just good store-bought pizza dough. And this is what I use. It's delicious, it really is. And it smells amazing as well. Like I said, it's not an advertisement, it's just good dough. Right, for my tomato sauce, I need a pot. Look at that, can you see them? Beautiful. Ooh. Have you seen this? I'll show you. Look at this. Look at that. My daughter apparently likes water. Look at them beauties, delicious. Alright, so for the tomato sauce, tomatoes, plum tomatoes, peeled, beautiful. And it smells delicious. Garlic and some anchovies. Don't get freaked out by anchovies. They dissolve, and please use them because they add a fantastic umami, earthy flavour to whatever you're doing, and you really can't taste the anchovies. They just meld in with the sauce and it tastes amazing. So please don't be narrow-minded, get in there and try them. So first I want to chop some garlic. Just roughly chop it, doesn't have to be perfect. Finely dice your onion. So first, olive oil goes in the pan. Quite a bit. Anchovies. Get them in. And like I said, they will dissolve. Look, look, look. They're dissolving in with the oil, and it smells amazing. So when that's dissolved, we add some garlic. But look at it. So next, add your garlic. Oh man, it smells good. And you just want to cook the garlic on a low heat, just to flavour the oil. You don't want to burn it. And that's very important, to flavour the oil, because it infuses, it melds together with that sauce. It's amazing. Look at that. You just want to cook that garlic really nice. So that's ready now for the onions. Right now, add your onions. And you just want to sweat them off until soft. Okay, the onions are sweated. So now, I'm going to add my toms. Oh, beautiful. Get them in to the pot. I want a smoky element in the sauce, so I'm going to be using some smoked paprika. Not too much, just like a little bit. And with the masher, I just want to gently swash it. Yes. Gotta be careful because it will splash. Yes. Oh yes. Look at that. You know that's going to be good. I don't want the sauce to be smooth. I want it to have some chunks in it. You know, chunky, really nice. Do I have tomato sauce on me? No, I don't. You want to bring the sauce up to a boil, then simmer for about 45-50 minutes. Yes, 45-50 minutes. Right, that is done. It smells amazing, it really does. And you can cook a tomato sauce for 20 minutes, 15 minutes, but it's not going to have the same impact of flavour if you cook it for 45-50 minutes. And that's what you should do. Let them flavours marry. You've got to get in there, you've got to talk to your ingredients. You've got to get in there. Right, I'm going to finish this sauce off, so season to taste. Want some salt in there, some sugar, just to balance everything out. You need sugar. Tomatoes need sugar, not too much. A little pepper and some basil. I love this stuff. And when you're making a tomato sauce, add your herbs in at the end, not at the beginning. They produce more flavour at the end. So just tear them, get them in there, and rub them, release them oils. So give everything a good stir. Pesto time, right. Pestle and mortar, you need one of these. Pop some garlic in there, some basil, just tear that in, get that in. Some chilli, as much as you want. Some peanuts, some extra virgin olive oil. Now grind. Amazing. Right, to finish off, some cheese, Parmesan cheese, some olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, not too much. Nice. And grind that again. Look at that. What this is, it's a pesto slash dressing. I've got to tuck into that. Look at that. Okay, now the fun part, the toppings. Looking forward to this. Look at that beauty. Basil, tomato sauce, tomatoes, buffalo mozzarella, prosciutto. That'll get really nice and crispy. It's not even cooked yet and it looks fantastic. So that goes in at 475 until it looks good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little bit of this dressing slash pesto, and it'll add a wonderful, wonderful flavour. Of course this is optional, but I do this. Amazing. Look at that, you can see the prosciutto, it's gone nice and crispy. That mozzarella cheese is melted nice, and tomatoes are nice and soft. Look at that steam, look at that crunch. Hear that crunch, I mean. I'm excited. Look at that steam. Beautiful. Ooh. The best part, the taste test. Look at that. So crispy. That's delicious. Now that is a good pizza. Give it a go. What do you want for supper? Thanks, guys. Sign of a good burger. Loads of grease.
Grease?
Yeah. Well,
we have the banana.